is this: we are all broadcasters. We're all communicators. Whether we like it or not, we're all personal brands and we're all business brands. Now, unless you move with the times, you get left behind. And unless you can communicate with authority and rise above the rest, because your content is consistent and you communicate in a way that enrolls your ideal viewer, watcher, ideal audience, elevates them and connects with them, you too will get left behind. So what I ask for you all today is don't do a Kodak. Don't sit and think that you've got it all sussed, you've got it all ready, and it doesn't affect you. It affects everybody now. We can't get away from that. Now, we might not like the way that we're all broadcasters, but we are all broadcasters now, and that's a fact. If you're on Zoom calls, if you do Zoom meetings, if you do team talks, you're a broadcaster. If you go on podcasts, right? If you do videos, if you do lives, if you do stories, if you do LinkedIn posts, whatever, you're a broadcaster. Can we agree on that? Now, what I want to show you is how to broadcast when you're speaking with authority. Is that okay with you? Did I share that with you? Is that all right? Or